Think about the last time you ate something that felt extremely satisfying. Maybe it was a crispy French fry, a crunchy chip, or a perfectly fried chicken piece. Now think about it carefully. You probably remember the sound, the texture, and that first amazing bite. But why does a simple crunch make food feel so much better? Crispy food is loved in almost every culture around the world. From Japanese tempura to American fries and Indian pakoras, different countries have different foods, but the love for crunch is almost universal. This is not just about taste. Something deeper is happening inside our brain. When you see a crispy food item, your experience actually starts before the first bite. Your eyes notice the golden color, your ears expect the crunch, and your brain starts creating an idea of how satisfying it will be. The excitement begins before you even taste it. That famous crunch sound is more powerful than most people realize. It is not just noise. Your brain uses that sound as information. A loud, clean crunch often feels like a sign that the food is fresh and has the right texture. Scientists believe that our love for crunch is connected to how our brains understand freshness. In nature, certain textures gave early humans useful signals. A fresh fruit or vegetable often had a crisp texture, while spoiled food could become soft or unpleasant. Over time, our brains developed preferences for certain textures. But today, our brain reacts the same way even when the food is not natural. A bag of chips or a plate of fries can trigger the same excitement because the texture matches what our brain finds satisfying. The ancient signal is still working in a modern food world. There is another reason crispy food feels special. It creates multiple sensations at the same time. You hear the crunch, feel the texture, smell the aroma, and taste the flavor together. This combination creates a much stronger experience than taste alone. One important process behind crispy food is called the Maillard reaction. When food is cooked at high temperatures, proteins and sugars react and create new flavors, colors, and aromas. That golden brown surface on fried foods is a big reason why they smell and taste so good. This is why the perfect crispy texture is carefully created by chefs and food companies. Too little crunch can make food feel boring, but too much crunch can make it feel difficult to eat. The goal is to create the exact texture that feels satisfying. Think about your favorite snacks. The crunch is not an accident. The shape, thickness, cooking method, and even packaging are designed to create a specific experience. Behind a simple crispy bite, there is a lot of science working quietly. The popularity of crispy food is also connected to emotions and memories. Many people remember the sound of snacks during movie nights, family gatherings, or special moments. That crunch is not only a texture, it becomes part of the experience connected to those memories. Food companies understand how powerful texture can be. They spend a lot of time improving the crunch, because the first bite can decide whether people enjoy a product or not. A satisfying texture can make a simple snack feel much more memorable. Different cultures also show how important crispiness is. In Japan, tempura is famous for its light and delicate crunch. In America, fried chicken and fries became iconic comfort foods. In India, snacks like samosas and pakoras are loved because of their crispy outer layer and flavorful filling. There is also a reason restaurants highlight crispy words on menus. Words like crispy, crunchy, and golden instantly create an image in our minds. Before we even order, our brain starts imagining the experience. So the reason we love crispy food is not just because it tastes good. It combines science, sound, texture, smell, memories, and emotions into one experience. That simple crunch is actually a powerful signal that our brain has learned to enjoy. But there is something interesting about crispy food. The same crunch that makes food enjoyable can also make us forget how quickly we are eating. Because crispy snacks are designed to be satisfying, people often keep reaching for one more bite without noticing. However, loving crispy food is not a bad thing. Crunch is a natural part of how humans experience food. The important thing is understanding why we enjoy it and how our brain responds to different textures and flavors. From a simple potato chip to a restaurant-quality fried dish, crispiness has become one of the most powerful experiences in food. It connects our senses, emotions, and memories in a way that few other textures can. So the mystery is finally clear. We do not love crispy food only because of the taste. We love it because our brain enjoys the complete experience, the sound, the texture, the smell, and the feeling that comes with every bite. That satisfying crunch is not just a sound, it is a combination of science, psychology, and human experience. The next time you hear that perfect crispy bite, you will know there is a fascinating story happening behind it. If you enjoyed this food mystery, like this video, share it with a food lover, and subscribe to Food Mystery Lab for more surprising food secrets.